This one's extremely consequential because on Friday, we get the non-farm payroll report. Now, the market's been roiled by a fractious 10-year Treasury bond that won't come down. Just won't come down. Friday's employment numbers need to show lower wage growth and disappointing hiring. Now, that could bring down the yield in the 10-year and therefore make people feel like that the Fed will be back on schedule to start cutting the rates again. We got to get them back into that groove, you know? On the other hand, if hiring and wages remain hot, well, then anything good that happens next week could be repealed. The labor report's that important because other than autos, housing, and materials, I fear the economy may be too hot to give us what we need to push interest rates lower. Now, what parts of the economy are actually driving things? Well, one of them is the Purchasing Managers Index. Yes, we're getting some incredibly strong readouts in these various purchasing manager reports, like the manufacturing one we got this very morning. On Monday morning, we get the PMI Composite Index, which gives us a great look at the economy. And any bull might be perturbed by still one more hot number. Tech was strong all day today. You know, it's the leader again, in part thanks to the buzz around NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's speech at CES on Monday night, Vegas. Right now, as I've stressed in my morning meeting show for CNBC Investing Club members, 1020, by the way, I think we could be dazzled by the use cases for NVIDIA's latest chips, especially the video component. Any company that buys the platform of GPUs and software can make a fortune from it. That's important because we keep hearing that Amazon wants to compete head-to-head with NVIDIA. Something, by the way, I don't even believe. Customers want cheaper chips. Amazon's trying to make them. That said, if Jensen can give his customers a 4 times return on investment, that's what he's going to talk about, and show us how that on Monday night, actual cases of how that can be accomplished, I doubt Amazon or anyone else could compete with that. And maybe NVIDIA actually goes to a new all-time high.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.